And welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be looking at how to cancel a trade on Bybit in 25 verified steps. Now, canceling a trade on Bybit depends on the type of trade you're trying to cancel. Now, go focus on canceling futures position. First step you need to take is navigate to derivatives, then from there to positions tab. So you see your open positions to show you the symbol that is BTC, it can be BTC USDT. To show you the size, for example 0.1 BTC. To show you the entry price, the liquidation price, and the red close button at the far right. Click or choose the market or limit close button and then click on confirm. It's as simple as that. Or you can follow the second step here. That is, if your trade is already executed and you want to exit, you can do this. Go to derivatives using this URL right here. And once you're done, click on positions, find your open position, click close, and then choose market or limit close and confirm. It's as simple as that. Note that closing a position is not a cancellation, it's an exit trade and it may incur P&L. If you are still stuck, you can contact Bybit support on this URL over here, or mail the second URL here and send mail to this address, or you can use the live chat in the Bybit app. It's as simple as that. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.